This is Qingdao Jiarui Electric Power Equipment Co. Limited. Jiarui Electric Power is a municipal-level specialized and innovative enterprise. Deeply engaged in the field of electric power and energy equipment, our business covers large-scale projects such as high-voltage transmission towers, heavy-duty support for power stations, and overseas infrastructure projects with stringent deadlines and cost control requirements. Since the launch of the RITMAN Laser GG26030 and TD12028, these issues have been overcome. The work time per piece has been reduced by 50%, and annual production capacity has increased by 40%. Supporting our customers' demand for high-end customization, RITMAN Lasers, 10-minute response, 24-hour closed-loop, after-sales service system ensures that every order is delivered on time with zero delays. Thanks to RITMAN Lasers GG260 for zero steel section cutting machine and TD1202 for pipe cutting machine, choosing RITMAN is not only choosing cutting-edge equipment, but also choosing a trustworthy long-term partnership.